dear friends, we're going to draw flowers.
Yeah, we're going to draw lilac flowers. We hope you're going to follow along because art is always better with
crayons.
No. Crayons, but also friends. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use markers instead of crayons, but you can use crayons if you want. Yes. You also need some paper. You ready to start?
Yeah.
When you see lilac flowers on a bush or a tree, there's lots of them all clumped together. So this is a really fun lesson where we're going to draw a ton of flowers. And they're also kind of in the shape of a triangle, or they're just clumped and it kind of looks like a triangle. So first we're going to start by drawing one flower down here in the middle of our paper, but towards the bottom. I'm going to draw the center. So we're going to draw a little circle. And lilacs have 4 petals on each flower. So we're going to draw one petal. Oh, I love how small you're drawing it too. Another petal. And then 2 more petals. 1, 2. We did it! That's a really easy way to draw a lilac. Now we drew them with round petals. You could draw them also with little points on the end. Yeah. But I like the round because then it keeps it a little easier. Now let's draw another lilac right next to it. I'm going to draw it right here. And we're going to repeat the same step. We're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. You did it. That's the start of our clump of flowers, our group of flowers. Now we're going to draw one right up here at the very top and in the middle. So see how it's right in between, and we could draw, yeah, that's a good spot. Oh, that's a big center. I like that. That's okay, right? We're practicing. Yeah. And now we're going to draw 4 petals. Oh, I love how big you're drawing the whole thing. Good job, Liz. How old are you?
6.
6. You could be super proud of your cute little lilac flowers. And I love that our 2 drawings don't look exactly the same. And it's okay if your drawings look different too. I'm sure they're turning out awesome. The most important thing is
to have fun and practice.
Yes, to have fun and practice. And that's the best part about this lesson too. We're drawing so many flowers, we get to practice. Okay, let's keep going.
Okay.
Now this next part we're going to fast forward because we're just repeating the same steps to fill in this triangle shape. I don't see a triangle, but these are the corners. Yeah. So we can use our imagination to kind of connect them. So we're going to draw all of our flowers inside of this shape.
Yeah.
You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
We finished drawing all of our lilac flowers, and I love your group of flowers. Looks really pretty.
Thank you.
Okay, now we're going to connect all of the flowers together with little bumps. So right here, it's almost like we're drawing another petal. So right here, you can connect. So I'm going to connect here too, and I'll connect over here. Now we're not connecting all of the little petals. We're just connecting the outside shape. So we're going to connect here and here. Yes, I'm going to connect here, come all the way up here, and then we're going to connect down on this side. So connect here. So connect here too. I'm going to connect on this side also. Yes, just like that. And I'm going to connect down all the way. Oh, you're doing it. Perfect. And then maybe one more right here. Now we could also draw little buds. I'm going to draw... These are small flowers that haven't bloomed yet. Yeah. And we can draw a couple more. I'm going to draw one over here and maybe up here too.
And down here.
Yes, you can put them wherever you want. Good job. Okay, now we're ready to draw the stem. So first, let's draw a curve that comes down from the bottom. And then we're going to draw another line that matches right next to it so that the stem is thicker. And we can also draw a little branch coming out. So I'm going to draw 2 little lines right next to each other for a branch. And then let's do another one that comes out over here. And we can also draw, if we want, we could add little stems for those buds that stick out further. So I'm going to add those. I'm going fast because we're just repeating the same step. Okay, now we're ready to add a little leaf. Let's draw one right here. We're going to draw a curve that comes out from the stem. So we can come out from here. Yes. And then let's draw the outside shape of our leaf. We're going to draw a curve that starts at the point, curves around, and then in. And then we can do the same thing for the other side. I'm going to draw another leaf right here on this side. You could draw it coming out too. And then we'll draw the outside shape of the leaves. We finished drawing our lilacs. It looks really cute and pretty, except we still need to do my favorite part.
Color it.
Yes, we're going to color them purple and green.
Yeah.
This part we are going to fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your lilacs also.
Yes.
You ready to speed it up?
Yes.
We finished coloring our flowers, our lilac flowers, and they look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
I love how they look. And our art friends can pause the video right now to match our same coloring. We used our Art for Kids Hub markers to color with. If you have the same set, we used 2 purples. We used 83 is a light purple or a lighter purple that we used for the flower petals. And then we used a darker purple.
82.
Yeah, and we used that to color in between the flowers to make it look more 3D.
Yes.
Then we also used 33 yellow for the center of our flowers. And then we used 2 greens, 59 light green for the leaves, and then also a dark green for the stem.
Yes. Number 46.
Yeah. What else could our art friends add to their drawings?
A background.
Oh, a background. What would they put in their background?
A whole bunch of flowers.
A whole bunch of flowers. Yeah, you could add even more lilacs. When you see lilacs out in nature, there's usually a lot of them.
Yeah. We hope you had fun drawing flowers.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.